Gloria Vallarta, and I'll be doing the making ice cream in a plastic bag experiment today. So briefly, the ingredients that we need are 4 ounces of milk, which I'm gonna do double for my husband and I. So we need 8 ounces of milk, 8 ounces of cream, 8 tablespoons of sugar, and then 1/2 a teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna add some sprinkles, and then we have the ice right here that's ready to use when we combine everything, and the salt that's gonna be, the rock salt that's gonna be needed to create the endothermic process that's gonna make the ice cream as we shake the bag. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to pour the milk, both of them. So we're gonna start with the milk. I hope I don't spill. Okay, and then we're gonna move into the cream. I hope everything fits in the bag. And then we're not gonna do food coloring, but I think I'm gonna add some sprinkles. So we're gonna add the sugar. Then we're gonna move into the vanilla. A bit more than I wanted to. And then I'm gonna add some sprinkles. Take off the lid. It's a bit better. I like sprinkles. Okay, so now we're gonna make sure it's sipped. We're gonna probably take out the air first so that it's able to shake more easily. Okay. I'm gonna add the ice. I'm just gonna use my hands. They're clean. I'm adding the ice. Oh. So they're falling everywhere. Then, from there, I'm going to place it. I have to put the salt. Put the salt. I'll just add this one because my hands are wet. As needed. And I'm gonna add probably a bit more ice. Okay. I'm gonna stick this in here. Add a little bit more ice. Salt, sorry, not ice. And I have the bag and close it. I'm gonna wrap it in a towel. And I'm gonna start shaking it. For 5 to 8 minutes, so we're gonna fast forward this because it might take a while, okay? Okay, so after 5 to 8 minutes of shaking, I'm sweating, I'm tired, my husband's tired too, adding more salt and ice, I think it's finally ready. So I'm gonna remove the towel. Oh, it's leaking. So, I'm gonna open it in the sink. I'm gonna rinse it for excess salt that it might have around. And I think it's good. Oh, it's so cold. Okay. So, here's the end result. This smells really good. Okay, so I'm gonna serve it. Find a spoon somewhere. Oh, here it is. Okay. So this process, basically, as you can tell, I have my notes here. This process was basically called an endothermic process. So when the salt was added to the ice, the chemistry between the two forced the ice to melt. So before the ice could have melted, though, it needed to borrow heat from the objects that surrounded it. So the process is called the endothermic process. Since the ingredients are not as cold as the ice, it borrowed heat from the ingredients, making them colder. So when they get colder, they freeze up, and that's it. I hope it tastes good.
It's so good.